Question 21 is a functional question again because there's a star there, and it's all to do with angles. The best thing to do with these ones is actually draw the angles that you find on the diagram because it helps a little bit. Now there are 4 marks for this question, and it says give reasons for your answer. So there is 2 marks for the working out, and there's 2 marks for the reasons. So you must write the reasons down. There's a few different reasons we can put down. There's actually 3 here, and you must have 2 out of the 3 reasons. Let's have a look at this one. You can see here we have a triangle, and because that mark is on there and that mark is on there, we know that these 2 are the same length as each other, which means that this is an isosceles triangle. In a triangle, the angles add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 50 degrees, we know that the base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So that and that must be the same. Now to find those, probably the easiest way to work it out is 180 degrees minus 50 degrees equals 130 degrees. That means these 2 angles must add up to 130 degrees. And because they're the same, what we need to do is divide those by 2. So 130 degrees divided by 2, half the 130 is 65 degrees. So we'll write those in. 65 degrees, 65 degrees. Now a couple of reasons we could put down there is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, or base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now I'll write them both down and you can choose. Okay? Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. It's no good to just put 180 degrees or angles in a triangle. You must have the full reason. I'll write the second one down. Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle are equal. And there's 2 reasons straight away. So you could have them from that. But remember, there is 2 marks for the reasons. So you can choose any one of those. Let's have a look at the next part now. We want to find this angle x here, and we've given 20 degrees. We don't know this angle, so we need to find this one. So I'll draw that one in there. Now this is angles on a straight line, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 65 degrees equals 115 degrees for there. Now the reason for that, as I've just said, is angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. I'll write that answer in there. That's 115 degrees. Right, now we have 2 of the angles out of the 3, going back to here. And once again, this one is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can get the final answer. Go back down here. We have 115 degrees and 20 degrees, and we know that they all add up to 180 degrees. So let's go back down to here. 115 degrees plus 20 degrees equals 135 degrees. And going back to the diagram, we can see that these add up to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 135 degrees equals 45 degrees. And let's put a reason for that. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Now, we have early on angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and we have the same here. You could you must put two different reasons. You can't have the same reasons each time. So you can have angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So any two of those three are good enough.
And that's it.